So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space windsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now you're going to type in sfc space /scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete all those scans, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.